Okay, at the end of this video, we will give you for free the most drawn Keno numbers based on analyzing thousands of Keno games. Yes, Keno is a game of chance, and some Keno numbers tend to appear more often than others. Let's take a look at our first 5-spot. Yes, bet at 5, the coin is 10. The AI Keno numbers in this bonus round are 2, 55, and 64. My lucky Keno numbers are 54 and 66. Be sure and write these Keno numbers down for your next casino game. Wait, 4 plays to go? What's going on? No way. Am I getting a bonus completed? Wow, a bonus completed. Okay, let's see what got us into this bonus. Well, there you go. A 4 out of 5 for 120 credits. Looks like the AI Keno numbers saved the day. Okay, let's quickly go on to a different 5-spot on the other side of the casino. This 5-spot is already in progress. Let's go. Okay, heads up. This is one of the best set of AI Keno numbers we have used for almost a year now. The AI Keno numbers are 43, 45, 62, and 71. We use them with my lucky Keno number 54. Yes, as you can see, we got a 4 out of 5 for 240 credits. Okay, as promised, let's go on to the next bonus round and take advantage of this free opportunity to get the best AI Keno numbers and win a jackpot. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, want to win at Keno? Take these 5-spot Keno numbers to your next casino visit. Subscribe for more free winning AI Keno numbers. Also, join us for more free AI Keno tips and strategies. Be a winner at Keno. Okay, let's take a look at this winning 5-spot. Okay, bet is 5, coin is 5. Write this 5-spot down for your next casino jackpot. AI Keno numbers are 9, 10, 19, 20, and 29. 6 more plays to go. Come on, Cleopatra, let's go. Cool. Yes, a 4 out of 5. A great way to end the day. Yes, last play coming up. 240 credits for the bonus. Cool. This AI Keno 5-spot is a winner. 255 credits for this bonus. These 5-spot AI Keno numbers are the most drawn Keno numbers at your casino. Leave a comment below and tell us how you did at the casino. And good luck. Okay, beginners. AI Keno strategies, advice, hacks, and free AI Keno numbers in these 2 videos. Yeah, you need to watch another video. And thanks for watching this video. See you next week.